Are you recording yet?
Now I am.
There you are. Here, follow me.
Yeah, it's full panic mode. We're just gonna track shitty mud in there. Can I drink a beer during this video?
Do you have one? I don't see why not.
Where are we going?
I'm just doing a little walkthrough on the shop
Dude.
to take up more time.
You're taking me on a fucking circle jerk. Ooh, look at that.
Is this titanium?
Should be.
It's not?
It's aluminum.
Should you run your seat that high all the time? Is there anything cool about this bike?
It's metal.
It's alright. Alright, so what we got out here?
We are getting ready to send off our, what trailer is this? 1973 Overlander, I believe. Let's get this done so I can go ride my bike. Shit.
Hit record on that thing, bud.
Alright, we're live.
Alright, let's talk about the electrical. We'll start right here with our sound system.
Yeah.
It's a Bluetooth graphic equalizer, switch for it, and a USB cord. Component speakers, back mounted, and the end cap with a subwoofer under the lounge. What do we got in here for electrical loads? We'll start up front, right behind you. What's that thing?
Up front, we got the electric table pedestal, which is controlled underneath the sink in our command center area, which you can check out here. Central location for all your controls. You got your solar controller readout here. We got a blue sky MPPT solar controller, as well as our Zip, the automated awning. You can control that here, which we can open in a minute. We got our table lift right here. You can just easily drop the table down.
That's pretty fancy. Yeah. Back to the awning. That's a powered awning on a 70s.
73, yeah.
73 Airstream.
Had to custom bend the arms to fit the contour of the body. One of the few trailers out there that has this.
Yep.
Isotherm fridge freezer combo. Handmade these switch panels here in the shop. Any size we need. So 3-zoned puck light, all controlled here by the door with a Blue Sea deckhand dimmer. It brings everything down and out evenly.
Here, give those a little dim action. Furion stove. What's power in this thing?
We got 220 amp hours roughly, AGM batteries, which are located up right here under the bed.
There's 2 panels up top.
And we got a 200 watts of solar on the roof.
Low voltage disconnect. And then this is the maintainer over here. What's this little?
That guy is going to be your Zip-D control board. So
Okay.
that's what actually controls the awning.
The awning operation.
Yeah.
What's this science right here?
That's the Blue Sky solar controller in PVT.
I'm not getting a very good shot of that. Let's see here. Scroll down. Pan down. There we go. Okay, smooth pan. Here we go. Kind of smooth. The sconces are 12 volt on the walls.
Lighting's 12 volt in here. Bathroom here. Got more of the overhead system.
What other electrical amazingness you put in this?
Simple standard setup. You know,
Yeah.
there's tank heaters underneath on both our fresh and gray water tanks.
It's a forced air furnace on this.
Forced air furnace, propane. So you know, less draw on the electrical as far as all that stuff goes.
What are we listening to right now, Chance? You gotta give credit, or else we're gonna get copyright. Is that the right word? Copyright infringement? Do you wanna give the awnings a little push button? Watch your head, bud! Pretty sweet.
Yeah, pretty slick.
Should get in a little closer, dude.
Me?
Yeah. Should be wearing glasses.
Junie glasses.
That's called a pan right there, guys. That's a brand.
Oh, you know, we didn't mention the Pua macerator.
Yeah, let's talk about the poo spinner.
We have to test it out.
Let me know when you're done.
You're gonna have to go in there, dude. You gotta hit the button.
Yeah. Look at Brandon working out here.
It's a rare scene. Oh, dude, he's washing his truck.
It's like
Jesus.
somebody gave a kid a hose and to wash mom and dad's, and then here's Hayden. Jesus Christ. Guys, I'm trying to shoot video in here. So the toilet's behind the door. What kind of toilet is this?
It's a Dometic.
Where's the flush button at? Alright, I don't fucking care about this thing. Was that just a little, it just shits a little water out and then...
It's like a tornado goes off in there, dude.
You gotta hold it down? Is it gonna splash in my face?
There you go.
Let's give a little poo effects. The tile in here actually came out pretty sick. I haven't actually looked at it.
Yeah, no, it does.
I don't know,
really
Brandon
nice.
probably thinks it's ugly, but he's never happy with anything. What about the taillights on this and the running lights?
It's all new. Yeah. All the marker lights are LED, and then the rear tail lights have been all rebuilt.
Plug her in.
Gotta make a present, you know. It's all about selling that lifestyle.
What lifestyle is that?
An unused off-road vehicle.